start, you need these.
All right, here we are back again with Christine. Thanks for watching, by the way. Today, I've cleaned out the interior as much as I can get it. And now I'm gonna try and fit, let me show you, these aftermarket floor pans, which honestly barely fit, almost not even worth trying. But I need to decide, am I going to use the whole part? Because I'm going to have a spot right here I'm going to need some metal. Here I'm going to need some metal. Now I have other metal I could use to put in, so maybe to keep the structure strong I just leave the whole thing. Of course it doesn't really fit right there, I'd have to trim it on that side anyway. But then it would be on top of its original hole mostly. Right there. Not sure why that makes any difference at all. I'll need to drill some kind of a hole through here, this brace. I can get this off. Maybe I should try that first, try to get that body mount loose. I don't know. That's on my agenda too. Maybe put some primer on this. Let's see, I don't really need the whole plate because some of the original floor is not in that bad of shape. But then again, maybe I just use it. Do kind of a zip cut and tack it in. All these things will be discussed today on Geek and Son, and you'll kind of figure out as I do. Also, it's time to put the general away for the winter, which I don't think I've really done before. I guess it was done last year, but then I just left it in the garage, you know, over the winter. All right, so I've been cleaning out the trunk, trying to get this organized. Some more metal that I'm going to use, a bunch of tools that were in there. But here it is. Can you believe? 65 years old, and it's only got like, where is it? I can't even see it. Oh, right there. There's one little hole. So that's freaking amazing. So now I got to go through this kind of stuff. I've also got the automatic brake pedal I'm going to put in after I organize all these tools and these tarps. Yeah. It's, I mean, I was just trying to get ready to do the floors. So it's a lot of find this, hurry up and wait, almost like the army, where you got to get something ready before you can even get ready. Somebody asked me the other day, what's the original color? Black. And I'm telling you, if I weren't building a Christine, it looks good black. Check this picture out. Pretty good, huh? I'm also going to put the hood hinge on that I took off mistakenly, and the springs, and then I'll put the hood back on. Doesn't have to be perfect, I just would like it out of the way since I'm going to be moving it to the other side of the garage for the winter. But I'm going to focus on right now, see if I can take out that body mount. I got a whole new set, and I'll do another whole video on it, but it seems like the ones I got were from a 1957 Chevy Bel Air, but apparently they're the same thing. Someone else told me that, so we'll see. I won't put this in the video unless it's true. All right. So next, I think I'll take all those pieces and that didn't sound good. Take all these pieces of metal, put them back in the trunk, try to get these tools more organized so I can move on. Thanks for watching. All right, so I'm working on putting the floor in on the driver's side. And while I'm doing that, I'm changing out these body mounts. And these are what's left of that one. That goes right there under the driver's foot. So I've got these new ones. Okay. And they are supposed to be for a 57 Chevy. But I was told that they will work. Now, what I need to do is figure out how that happens. So we got bolts, washers, and I think these are called biscuit types. So So one goes on the top, one goes beneath it, bolts in. So you can watch me figure this out. This one I drilled a hole through with the hole saw, and it's being a pain to get out, of course, because it's super rusted in there. And as I go around, I'm going to change all the body mounts, and I may go back and change them in the general, because I'm 99% sure I didn't do that. Same thing with the Nova. And as I'm sitting here, I'm looking, oh, I got to do the brake pedal and the clutch and the gas pedal and the a million other things. So I got to focus on this, on the floor. I want to grind down around where I'm gonna weld and do a zip cut and zippity doo dah, put it together. Okay. So I'm guessing I need a bolt, and they've got long ones, short ones in here, and we'll take a medium. How about that? Problem is, I know the second these are open, I gotta start going everywhere. So I gotta keep it together, keep them organized. So here's a bolt. It looks very similar to the original one. Okay, then we're gonna need a washer. All right, I've been tacking in this sheet here. I got that mount fixed and that mount fixed. So that was pretty good. Took a lot to get the old ones out, but it has two new polyurethane mounts on that side. So now I'm just welding up the new floor pan. Cool.
Fire! 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 Fire!
Well, as often happens, I ran out of wire. But I got most of that side done, and it doesn't look pretty yet, don't worry. Most of that side done. I want to cut that, fix what I screwed up there. But this side is really getting close. I also drilled down into the brackets here, filled those in. Need to grind that one out a little bit more. But yeah, Christine has floors. Cool. And body mounts, they're not too bad. How's my hair look? Beautiful. Good. So it's coming along. It's a lot of work, but I ran out of wire. So I gotta go get some more wire, and then I'll get back on it. Thanks for watching.
Beavis, life just keeps getting better.